This is called Ali Mobile, high jailbreak Ali Mobile latest version. This is called Fake GPS Pro, change your iPhone's location on your iOS device, supports iOS 5.1.1 to 14.3. This is called 361 multi-account master. Switch accounts for apps like Facebook, Twitter, WeChat, WhatsApp, Tinder faster than ever. This is called Lock Nice, called iOS 10 to 14, special package for lock plate and its adjustment. Got Etsy and HTML, allows you to add widgets to your home screen and lock screen, supports iOS 9 and up. It's called Flex List, supports iOS 9 to 14. So use any applications and Springboard to call the debugging tool Flex. So debugs iOS applications. This is called User Script Manager, called iOS 10 to 14. So User Script is a program written in JavaScript for modifying web pages and to augment browsing. This is called iWall. This is called Badu Maps GPS coordinates. Displays GPS coordinates in Badu Maps. This is called Escape, taking incoming call to escape from a pretty embarrassing moment. Yobon Evolution, successor Yobon Pro. So long press the buttons for explanation. Wi-Fi IP monitor, fast respring, normal respring, LD restart, Wi-Fi control, Bluetooth control, clean cache, deep clear, suggestions button, close all apps, go background, CPU, RAM monitor. Also a backdoor option, just in case your device freezes. This is called I Don't Know You. Automatically hide conversations, swipe left on a conversation to pin or unpin, swipe right to on a conversation to hide or unhide. Enter edit mode, security unknown. Automatically sync all lists to iCloud. The other tweak, I don't know, you can also block conversations. I don't know you. With that tweak, you can block conversations. Next tweak is called Switch Us. Compatible with iOS 11 to 14. It allows you to customize your app switcher like never before. It's called Groupie. Official iOS 14 support. So refresh notifications with Groupie. And now supports. It's called Begone Sia, and lets you control your privacy by giving you a control center toggle to enable and disable your microphone, camera, and GPS. This is called Spear. Low test at its best. Allows you to run recent apps on top of others. Rain percent labels for the battery widget. This is called Flash Sound. Flash on of sound alert. Change custom sounds from preference settings. Primal folder 2. Supports iOS 13 and 14. Made you see first icon of the folder, a folder image. This is called Backtrits. Back tap for quick actions. So it was iOS 14 feature, but now you can use it, that feature on iOS 13. So you tap back device, and then you can toggle different features, as you see. It's called Lumi Night Mode Camera for low light photography. So it tells you what it supports, exactly how it works, what it does, everything you guys know before you need to buy it. And this is the difference. This is with it and without it. So you can see it's a big difference. It's called Paste Here 2, iOS 10 to 14. Support for iPhone, iPod Touch, and iPad. So it's a tweak that lets you manage the iOS clipboard history. I use Copylog, but this is basically the same thing, but I prefer Copylog. This is called also with Copy. It's also with Copylog, Paste Here 2, and Copy Pasta, which is better than Lidden developer took it over. Oh, they made they really continue it. That's what's called Notations, Sticky Notes experience for iOS. Smart Battery 2, ultimate tweak to monitor, save, and tune your battery. It's called TikTok God, the best tweak for TikTok. You get these features right here. It's called Pencil Charging Indicator, makes charging less boring with the Apple Pencil Charging animation from the iPad Pro 2018. Does support iOS 14. Anchor has not been updated yet, but it allows you to freely place your icons wherever you want. It's called CarPlay Classic. And it's a theme for CarPlay Classic, so you see. That's just called Miriam, customized iOS device. So you guys, thank you so much for watching. Catch you next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace. It's called Escape. If you can come and call, escape from a pretty embarrassing moment. It's called Carbridge. That's you just updated version 2.0.5. And if it's an issue where bridge app icons will not show, if it's an issue with a portal icon on the CarPlay dock will not trigger the home button, and general stability improvements. So with this tweak, you can actually open up any app, for the most part besides DRM apps like Netflix and Hulu, but you can use any use any app, basically on CarPlay from your iOS device. So you stream movies, play games, and etc. So yeah guys, I'll catch you next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.